This late-night visitor is straight out of our nightmares. A man in a clown costume can be seen trying to get in the front door of the house. You can plainly see a knife in his hand, indicating that they were there with bad intentions. The front door was locked, which was fortunate for the homeowner since he tried to get in, and it would be scary enough if that was the end of it. The clown, however, didn't stop there. The man can be seen exploring the house and searching for a way inside. The clown can be seen in the video approaching the house's back door and attempting to break in once more. Fortunately for the homeowner, he failed again. The clown then ventured into the home's backyard and kept trying, but he was unsuccessful again. And after circling for a few minutes, he ultimately made the decision to give up and leave. All I know is that I would always lock and barricade every window and door surrounding me if I were a resident in that neighborhood. In this startling clip, we see a catalytic converter burglar caught in the act in this shocking footage. The burglar parks a U-Haul next to another car with the intention of taking advantage of the pricey catalytic converter. But when the watchful homeowner interacts with them via the Ring doorbell camera, their intentions take an unexpected turn.
Get away from my car right now. Call the police. He was trying to steal our converter. Now. Yeah. Someone's trying to steal our converter off my car. Isn't that crazy?
In this terrifying encounter, our sense of security is violated as we observe a terrifying occurrence occur throughout the day. A group of masked men trespass shamelessly up the side of a house's walls and climb fences with evil intentions. This startling exhibit serves as a sobering reminder of our vulnerability, even in broad daylight. This bold theft makes us wonder about our own security and the constant need for alertness. The homeowners claim that they have no clue who these men were or why they did what they did. Furthermore, they have no idea why they particularly chose to attack their residents. They are aware, however, that they are fortunate to still be alive given that they were outside the house at the time of the incident. I should warn you that the next video is not for the weak of heart. The horrifying moment that a whole neighborhood was able to effectively observe a kidnapping was filmed on a homeowner's Ring camera. You hear another woman yelling for help in the distance, and you can see a woman coming out of her house and standing on her porch. You can hear the man who is apparently kidnapping the woman screaming for help to come while apologizing. It was obvious that saying sorry didn't matter in this case, as the woman kept screaming for assistance at the top of her lungs. The next thing you know, the woman is still screaming for help, and you can see a car starting to accelerate away in the ring camera footage. The car was a white hatchback, according to witnesses to the event, and it was widely thought that a kidnapping had taken place. A woman is seen on camera standing in the center of a busy road in the middle of moving traffic in an odd scene. Finally, a car stops, and she talks to the driver before getting in.
Yeah.
The woman is putting herself and other drivers at risk of accidents due to her careless behavior. The incident highlights the value of road safety and the necessity of exercising caution and good judgment in order to avoid potentially disastrous outcomes when driving. In Louisville, Texas, a woman was spotted checking out a house, but luckily the homeowner was home and asked her to leave as she saw her through the ring camera.
Is there somebody living here? Okay.
This weird woman wearing a hoodie is loitering outside of someone's residence. She is behaving strangely and has something in her hand. She inspects every lock, even the mailbox. The risk here is that we have no idea what she's planning. She might be attempting a break-in or looking for something to steal. Who knows? Good thing she eventually left.